Yo, it's your boy, My Makes Money, and today I really want to talk about Axie Infinity. I don't know if it's just me or this is happening to anybody else, but right now, whenever I try to morph my Axie into an adult, hopefully breed these Axies together, which I already did, it's not really working when I try to, um, like hatch them. Basically, what's happening is that it's taking way too long, and sometimes I'll even wait like 30 minutes and nothing happens at all, which is kind of very nervous. I'm very nervous just because um on Twitter, Axie Infinity has not talked about it at all. And honestly, I don't feel like I'm the only person that is going through this. And one thing that I don't like about Axie Infinity is that they don't really address the problems. I know that, like, I know I can't be the only person that is going through these problems with breeding, and it's just like it's not getting talked about. I don't know why, and I honestly could be the only person, but it, I it just is so weird because I've been anticipating this for days now, like 5 days, and just waiting for this moment to happen to actually hatch them, see what the Axies that I bred together come out to be, but it doesn't seem like anything is happening, which kind of sucks. I don't know. Do I have to wait till tomorrow and see whatever happens? Because I was so ready for today to decide what I was gonna do, which one I was gonna sell, and to start the entire process again to actually start making money in Axie Infinity. But it kind of sucks that it's not working right now, and like the team isn't talking about it at all. I really haven't seen anybody else talk about it, but I know I just can't be the only one. I've been having like problems with hatching for a long time, but usually I only had to wait maybe 10 minutes, 15 minutes at most, and then right after I hatch the first one, it's so easy to hatch the second one. But I can go through this. Two ways that I did it was either press the OK button or hit the refresh button, but it's not gonna work, which I feel like is a major problem. But we'll see what happens. Thank you guys for watching. I was just ranting, but peace.